Ever wondered how some people build a $100,000 investment portfolio while others struggle to save even a few thousand? Today, we're breaking down the path to your first $100,000 portfolio, where the money comes from, how it's invested, and the powerful lessons you can use to grow your own wealth, starting from zero. Let's start with income, because before you can invest, you've got to have cash flow. Most people who hit $100,000 don't do it with a single income. They build multiple income streams. Their main job or business pays the bills. A side hustle or freelance gig adds extra cash flow. And then investment income, like dividends, interest, or rental profit, starts working for them even while they sleep. The key is stacking income streams. The first $100,000 is the hardest, but once your money starts earning more money, things compound fast. Now let's talk about investments, the real engine of growth. Most self-made investors don't rely on luck or risky bets. They use diversified portfolios that include stocks, often through index funds or ETFs like the S&P 500, real estate, maybe a rental property or REITs that pay dividends, cash flow assets like small online businesses, YouTube channels, or e-commerce stores, crypto or alternatives, just a small percentage for high-risk, high-reward opportunities. It's not about chasing trends. It's about building consistency and patience. Remember, wealth loves discipline. So, what does a $100,000 investor actually own? They usually have a mix of liquid assets like cash and brokerage accounts, appreciating assets like property or index funds, and productive assets that generate income even when they're not working. Many start small, flipping items online, creating digital products, or starting content channels, then reinvest profits to let money snowball. Here's what we can all learn from those who've already hit the $100,000 mark. Start early, even small. $10 invested at 20 grows faster than $100 invested at 40. Time beats timing. Automate your investing. Set it, forget it, and let your portfolio grow without emotional decisions. Avoid lifestyle inflation. When income goes up, resist the urge to spend more. Invest the difference. Focus on skills, not shortcuts. Your ability to earn more is your biggest wealth-building tool. Stay patient. The first $100,000 takes years, but the next one comes faster because compound growth finally kicks in. So, that's the roadmap to your first $100,000 investment portfolio. Earn smart. Invest consistently and let compound interest do the heavy lifting. If you found this helpful, hit like, subscribe, and comment how close you are to your first $100,000. Let's grow together.